everyone. So today we have the session of testimonial. So today we have our student whose name is Mansi. Mansi, right? Yeah. So Mansi, we will start your introduction. So Mansi have recently got the offer from Intel, right? Intel India. So we will discuss your introduction first, and then step by step we will know about your interview process and all. Fine. Yeah.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Can you give your introduction?
Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Mansi Mahajan. I have completed my 10th and 12th from Miras, my hometown, Maharashtra, and currently pursuing MTech at VIT Chennai in VLSI design. Uh, I had my Intel interview in the month of March, and I got selected. I have encountered two interviews of Intel, from which in the second interview I got selected in Intel.
Okay. So you have done the BTech only or MTech also?
Yes, I have done BTech and MTech. I have done BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication while MTech in VLSI Design at VIT Chennai.
VIT.
Yes, sir.
VIT, which campus?
Chennai campus.
Chennai campus. So how is the campus? Is it
Sir,
good or?
campus is very good. Campus is very good, but my urge is we should try Vellore campus first because the preference is given to the Vellore
Exactly.
campus more than Chennai campus.
Yeah. So what is the difference between Vellore and Chennai campus? Is fees is difference or like and fees? And second question is like what is the cutoff they have, like tentative cutoff, like expected cutoff?
Actually, the fees is the same because the management of VIT, Vellore, and Chennai is the same. But as per the rank, they take a common entrance called as VITME all over India, from which way they give us a rank. But this rank is common to all the branches. Means if there is MTech for mechanical, civil, electronics, computer science, the rank will be based on all the students of these branches. Means if we get a rank of 150, this 150 rank will not be of only electronics and telecommunication. It will be between all the branches of MTech. So as per this rank will get the admission. There are two categories, category 1 and category 2. If we get admission in category 1, we'll will get the exemption in fee. In category 1 it is less, and if and as per in category 2 it will be more in terms in 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs based on the specialization you have chosen.
Okay, so your admission is under category 1 or category 2? And category is
Yes, sir.
based on the rank, right? Category is
Yes,
based
yes,
on the rank.
rank. Yes, yes. If your rank is less, then you will get admission in category 1. I got admission in category 1 because my rank was 351.
Yeah. Okay, great, great. So when did you like start how you got to know about VLSI for all? It is through a YouTube channel or like, I also remember your father called me like before you have joined, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
how your
yes,
father
yes.
got to know about VLSI for all?
Yes, my father got to know from the Google, and he was continuously searching for on YouTube for various courses in VLSI. So can I get the start for the VLSI and prepare my base for the VLSI? So he first found out Maven Silicon. Then I got the name of Vector Institute from my college professors of BTech. From that we got to from as we see the YouTube videos, my father got to know about VLSI for all, and he approached me.
Okay, great, great. So when did you join the VLSI for all? Before the admission or
I
after the
joined.
admission?
No, sir, because I didn't took any gap between BTech and MTech. So after my BTech got over, I went for a one month internship at Triple IT Allahabad for VLSI design. After that, my MTech college started. And when my MTech college started, in June, in July 15. After the next week, I took the course of VLSI for all in around end of July.
And have you prepared for GATE also? Like what was the rank in GATE expected rate?
No, sir. As I didn't get enough time to prepare, I sat for a gate, but I didn't qualify because I
Okay.
was in the last year BTech that
Mhm.
time.
Yeah, this is also good decision because time is saving, right?
Yes, yes,
Preparing the
sir.
GATE is also a big challenge right now. There
Yes,
are a
yes.
lot of
But the studies and base of GATE helped me a lot to crack VIT.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the selection process of the company of Intel? Like how many rounds were there? Was there a technical round? Test was there? Yeah. Okay, give
Yes.
me the brief idea.
Actually, Intel shortlisted few names from the resume we uploaded. According to the resume, they just called us. There was no any test for Intel, no any starting test. It might be because we are the students of VIT. It would have been off campus. They would have taken the test. But as we were as it was in campus interview, they just took only one interview. The first interview was bit tough for me, but the second interview, the second manager called me, and that interview was very good. And in the next 2 days, I got a call from them that I am selected.
Great, great. So cutoff was like shortlisting based on CGPA or like what were the projects or projects were also there?
The last year last sem projects, and also the skills we know.
Okay, CTC is also there. Sorry,
Yes,
CGPA. Okay.
CGPA.
Yeah.
No, sir,
What is
CGPA is just a criteria to fit. The criteria was just 6 CGPA. That
6
if
only?
you have 6 in 10, 12, and BTech, and last sem also, you are allowed to sit for. Although the entire selection process was based on the skill set and the projects
Skill
of
set, yeah.
last sem.
Yeah, basically CGPA is for the like shortlisting purpose only, not
Yes,
for the
yes,
final
yes, sir.
selection. Yeah, great.
Yes, sir.
So and 2 rounds were there, right? So what were
Yes,
the
sir.
like important topics for the interview? Like just a topic name.
STA. First, the most important topic is STA, then Verilog. Actually, it depends upon what you put on resume. If you don't know system Verilog thoroughly, my suggestion is don't put the system Verilog. If we put system Verilog, they will. If you put their system Verilog basis, it will be a bad impact on the interview process, and they will reject you. But if you don't know system Verilog and UVM, if you know just basis, then don't put system Verilog and UVM in the resume. You should have sound knowledge on Verilog, the basic. Then STA, you should have sound knowledge. You should know how to solve problems, clock getting, on chip variation, all
Basically
STA.
numericals
The
from STA.
Yes, yes, and all the definitions of STA, skew, jitter, and all. The third one is Python. Python is important because my interview was 1 hour. In that 1 hour, half an hour they asked only questions on Python.
But we have not teached you Python, right? So we have teached you,
Yes,
I
yes,
guess,
but
TCL
I
and PAL.
think they wanted Python in their
Okay,
project,
okay,
so
okay.
they were more focused on
So
Python.
you have
They
written the
asked,
Python here in your resume. You have mentioned Python.
yes, yes, I mentioned Python.
Okay, okay.
I
From the
mentioned
BTech time,
Python.
you have the knowledge of Python. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
I mentioned Python and FPGA, digital FPGA, CAD tools. And
Mhm.
if you are seeking physical design, you must know all the physical design aspects also.
Yeah, great. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So what is the profile you have got selected? They have told you the profile or not?
Yes, sir. They have told us validation.
Validation. Okay, okay, okay.
Validation.
Okay, great, great. Yeah. First, keep learning. Like you can change the
Yes,
profile
yes,
later also, right? First,
yes,
learning
yes,
is a
yes, yes.
process. Yeah, entry part is. So how was the course curriculum at VLSI for all? It is matching to the standard or like low standard or above standard. So they are starting from
Yes.
basics or advanced. Like what you want to say about course structure?
As per my suggestion, uh, regarding IITs and NITs, the VIT syllabus is much better than any IIT and NIT in the college, because they have designed the curriculum in such a way that in terms of placement they have designed the curriculum, and it is very good. Means the lab sessions which they take cover all they cover all the commands and the industry related aspects they teach in the lab. Even the theory subjects are so beautifully they have designed that we will get knowledge of every subject. In the first sem we had digital, CAD, and analog. We had analog and digital in the same semester. So it helped us to gain the knowledge of both in the first semester, so we can decide to what to put in the resume for the second sem. Means if we want to go in the analog domain or digital domain.
Basically, you can see your interest, which
Yes,
what
yes,
is your
yes.
interest.
But the curriculum is very good in VIT in the first sem.
So, which course you have taken in the VLSI for all? Which course you have taken?
Uh, RTL verification.
RTL and verification. So, how was the course? Like coursework and the teachers and the projects?
Yes, it was very good. It was very good. Basically, Verilog and Verilog STA and System Verilog helped us me a lot for this placement. But actually, the System Verilog I was unable to complete
Complete.
entire the videos, and still my UVM is pending, so I didn't put UVM in my resume. But I have to complete it, and when now my exam will end in 2 days, I will be going home. That time I will complete it.
Yeah,
UVM
exactly.
also completed.
Because right now you have the time. Once you join the company, you
Yes,
don't have the
yes,
time. Exactly.
yes. 2 months I have the time, so I
Yeah,
will
great.
complete it.
Yeah. So, how was the teachers at VLSI for all? They are from industry or like how was the like standard of the teachers?
Standard of the teachers are also good. Somewhat they are from south side, so they are much more punctual than us. Very punctual. So
Yeah.
the 8 o'clock the start will start means it will start at 8. If you go at 8:05, they will throw you out. So the teachers are very punctual. They have a very high level of knowledge. But actually, what happens? As the time is less, they can't deliver much. They have knowledge a lot, but they can't. They are not able to deliver all the knowledge because
Yeah.
somewhat time and
Time is the constraint because
time and
syllabus
lecture
is huge.
hours.
Syllabus is huge.
Huh.
That's why we are
Yes,
giving
yes.
the pre-recorded sessions also, right?
Yes.
Pre-recorded
Yes.
sessions plus live sessions. So combination of both,
Yes.
so that we can cover the lot of things in a lesser time. Because
Hmm.
syllabus is very big, right?
Very vast.
Yeah. Okay. So have you given any mock interviews with VLSI for all?
No, sir. I didn't get the time actually.
Yeah.
I was completing the system Verilog part,
Mhm.
and that time only the actually this year the placement started very soon.
Mhm.
Every year they started April end or April mid. This year they started in the last week of February. I was planning to complete system Verilog till mid 15 and start the mock test, but they send the Intel notification in the mid of 15, so I can't do anything. I
Yeah,
had to
no
proceed
problem.
for the interview.
So do you think mock interviews are important for the for the student or not?
Yes, because my first interview in Intel was somewhat I was got trapped in the between, so I
Mhm.
didn't know how to approach the first interview. If I would have given the first interview well, then I would have got selected in it. But I was not able to deliver it properly that time.
Yeah, basically it
Means
will build your
their
confidence.
way of asking questions was very becomes different the way we are studying. So we should understand the pattern of questions they are asking. So I
Exactly.
learned that from the first interview and I applied that in the second. So it was mock interviews are very
Important.
important to give.
And what about the fees structure at VLSI for all? It is affordable for the student or like very high or very
Yes,
less?
yes, it is affordable. In the minimum amount of fee, uh, we can we can have much knowledge because the system Verilog part is very big and it is very neatly designed. Every commands and the right from the basics with every course they have learned, we can learn very nicely in that. So it helped me very lot in my interview questions. He first started with the basics of system Verilog, then he went in the deep. He was
Hmm.
saying that how much I can answer, how much deep he can go, and how
Yeah.
much I can accurate. After that, he came to know that I can answer in deep also, but that got possible only because of the VLSI for all lectures what I saw. So it was very useful
Yeah.
for me.
If we talk about trustability, since it is a like online platform for you, we have the offline in Delhi.
Yes.
So it is
Yes.
trustable for the student or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yeah. So yeah, tell me, do you want to refer some of your juniors in the future or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. And how many ratings you will give to VLSI for all, or you need any improvement in VLSI for all? You want to say something?
Actually, sir, one improvement what I want to say, to improve the quality of the recorded videos. Means
Yeah.
sometimes what happens when the person is teaching, the voice breaks or the voice becomes low suddenly,
Mhm.
or it becomes very fast in the between. So
We were using external recorder actually in one
yes,
one.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
But right now we are
Actually, this
like,
problem occurred more in Verilog than in
yes, yes,
System
yes.
Verilog.
Right
It
now
was
we have
much better.
uploaded the new
Yes, yes,
lectures because of the
yes,
this
yes,
issue. So right now we have like Zoom premium sessions also, and we are using the AWS service also, right?
yes,
So
yes.
that is almost like fixed right now. Yeah. So how many ratings will you give to the VLSI for all? Like out of five?
4.5, sir.
Yeah, 4.5. Great. So right now recession is also going on. Companies are lesser coming. So any tips for
Yes, yes.
the students?
The tips for the students is focus on your basics. Focus. You have to do Verilog perfectly. If you do Verilog perfectly, then only you can understand system Verilog. And STA, if you sit with STA 2 days before the interview, you can't do anything. The STA is a long process. Even if we assume that STA is a small topic, it has some definitions and we can do it. But in the interview, they ask us practical questions.
Yeah.
Means this is the malfunction, this is the circuit of the clock, of the synchronous clock we have designed, and this is the malfunction what we'll do, or this is the complex circuit what we'll do. So if we know how to tackle it, then only. If we just do the definitions and somewhat numerical setup and hold, because the STA is a very important topic.
Exactly.
They
If you are
ask
learning, if you
90%
many students
questions.
think that they will know about what is setup time whole time and ST is
Yes,
over,
yes,
right? So
yes,
many
yes, yes,
students think like that, but their
yes,
ST is
yes,
very vast, right? So we are teaching
yes,
like
yes.
almost 20 hours in ST, right?
Yes, yes, I have completed ST also. I have
Yeah.
completed ST also.
So yeah. So according to you, if anyone is doing the BTech, they should take the VLSI course parallelly. It will be useful. And one student is taking the VLSI course parallelly, and one student is not taking the VLSI course. So
Yes.
what is the advantage and disadvantage both have?
Yes, sir. If we don't do VLSI course, then there will be no any basics built for system Verilog and basically STA, and also very low. What the students tend to do, that they can, if they can do the same thing from YouTube. There are many platforms available on YouTube for Verilog. So why to do like that? The tendency of students are, but it is not like that. The basics are not covered in YouTube. They just teach you above above the level. Means for that specific thing, or for that exam or that curriculum they teach you, but the basics are not built. But the basics are built in the courses of VLSI for all. Means I have actually experienced in the system very long. I have not done UVM yet, but in the FIFO lecture series or the analog basics about what I have completed, system very long. The basics are so well developed.
Yeah.
It can be
And
developed from
also,
YouTube.
we are teaching that much only what is needed for the interview, not like
Yes,
PhD
yes,
level,
yes,
not below PhD, like interview level. That is up to the
yes,
mark,
yes,
right? That is up to
yes,
the
yes,
mark only, right? So, yeah. So yeah, and also you will get one direction, like how to go
yes,
forward.
yes, yes,
Direction
yes,
is
yes.
important. Yeah. So in the end, you want to say something about any tips for your juniors or something?
Yes, so one thing I have to mention, that after the BTech is over, I went for internship at Triple IT Allahabad for 1 month. It was a very nice experience for me because I went to the Triple IT
Alabama.
college, and I stayed there in 1 month. That was a great prestige to stay in the Government College of India, because we didn't get the opportunity to do BTech or MTech there. So it was a nice experience. We get hands on the fabrication steps, how we prepare the IC, and and the BT students must go there because they will get the roadmap of VLSI, and
Yeah.
so they can get the knowledge of what to do. To sit in the one place and studying STA and system develop will not work. When we'll
Exactly.
go there, we'll see how the IC is fabricated. The interest will be developed, and hence after coming from there, I was like just I want to join VLSI for all. Now I have to complete the VLSI course. Now VLSI I have started liking VLSI. So that happened when I went there. So it is a great platform. It is affordable also. So take this opportunity, go there and do all the things in Triple. They have started a very nice platform for that.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you, Mansi. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much. Thank you for your
Yes, sir.
time.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Take care. Good night.